Hello everyone, my name is Jessica Castro. I am 35 years old. I am married. I have 2 children. I live in Cartagena. I am ninth semester. I like to do handicraft because it is a way of relaxing. I like the quiet places. I don't like the movies. My expectations for the course developing my English skill. I feel security during the practice of my skill. To continue, I will answer the question of the partner Diana. Question 1. Did you study English in another college, university, before enrolling at UNAT? No, but I hope to start a course as soon as possible. Question 2. How long have you been learning English? Why? Since I started this process at the university 4 years ago. I do it because it is one of my biggest goals to handle this language and others. Question 3. What skills or abilities do you want to improve in this language course? I especially want to improve my speaking ability. Question 4. Which production skill, writing, speaking, do you find the most difficult? I find speaking ability more difficult. That's why it is one of the ones I want to improve. Question 5. Which do you think are the advantages and disadvantages of learning English online? One of the advantages is that I can manage my own time and spend as much time as I have available. The disadvantage is that I think that learning the language becomes more difficult since we don't have a permanent teacher who offers us guidelines to facilitate learning and can correct us in topics such as pronunciation. Question 6. What would you propose to make the English program better? I propose that more accompaniment be offered and that more practical activities be carried out. Thank you very much. Bye.